Hi my people, welcome to this space. It's your man Michael Armstrong. We are here to hit the market with something very interesting today and we're gonna have fun, I assure you. But before we continue, I'd like to remind you people subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Join the VIP Telegram channel. Join the VIP Telegram channel. Very important, you have access to free signals there. You get to copy my tweet. You have access to artificial intelligence free products like our AI powered trading bot and our AI scanner. You also have the access to get our notifications whenever we'll be going online or live for our broadcast or our live stream. Very important, join the VIP Telegram channel. So today we'll be using our legendary AI screen artificial intelligence scanner to trade, and we'll be taking big trades. What does that mean to be big? What does that mean to be legendary? You're about to find out, because this is a banger of an AI product. So let's go ahead and find out what this is capable of doing, how much money we'll be able to make in this session, and how good is our AI screener really is. Let's go. Alright, so first of all, what is AI screener? Artificial intelligence scanner basically is an AI product developed by engineering team, and I can tell you it is very amazing and it is legendary. Like I said, it processes the market based on the screenshot you said. You are about to find out when we use it later on. Yes, you had me right. You take a screenshot of your chart, you send it to your AI screener, it scans it and gives you the direction of the market, whether to buy, whether to sell. Additionally, it tells you what time to execute it. Unlike the bot, when you tell the bot the time you want to execute, on your AI screener, it tells you what time to execute it on. How does it get the strategies? It gathers information, it gathers news and strategies from 100 layers of information, different companies, and giving us the exact time to buy and sell after processing the market. It also tells you what time to execute that trade on. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is nothing other than your artificial intelligence screener version 2.0. So we're gonna go ahead into the market today, hit the trades, and we'll be going to hit them huge today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be risking 500 bucks for each of my trades, and we are going to hit it big with our AI screener. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. All right. So welcome to the market. This is our playground, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, AI screener says send me a chart screenshot and I will give you a forecast. So let's go ahead and select our market. We're gonna hit it up with our OTC market. Let's go ahead and see what are we gonna be hitting the market with Ethereum. I don't like the payout percentage, is very low. So let's go ahead and start with our Cardano OTC. 500 bucks on the line, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and take a nice screenshot as is stated in the instruction that we should take a screenshot and attach it to our AI screener. Let's go ahead and attach it and see what the prediction is going to be for Cardano OTC, ladies and gentlemen. It says once we send it will start analyzing it and it will give us a forecast, building strategies and starting candlesticks. And what is it going to be, ladies and gentlemen? It is a buy, a 3 minutes buy. Let's set our timer on 3 minutes and execute a buy order for this trade, people. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Prediction is that this is gonna be a 3 minutes buy, strong volatility level, success probability set to be medium. This is your AI screener version 2.0 predicting the market for us. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. And on our timer we have 2 minutes 44 seconds left. So we're gonna hold on tight and see this is quite a long period of waiting, but we're gonna trust the process and see how this is gonna play out. See you soon. All right, people, we have hit the 25 seconds mark. As you can see, predicted by our AI screener, this was gonna be a buy, and we have had the buyers come into the market, but the sellers are putting up a fight. We're gonna hold on and see whether this is gonna be a successful first trade for us in the market. 12 seconds left on the timer. The sellers are coming in, the buyers are putting up a fight. We're gonna hope this is gonna close on our side of the market. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. First trade, big huge trade secure. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next forecast. And what is it gonna be? It's gonna be on Bitcoin ETF OTC. I'm risking 500 bucks for this trade. Let's go ahead and take a very nice screenshot of our Bitcoin ETF OTC. That's a cryptocurrency, ladies and gentlemen. Nice screenshot taken and attaching it to my AI screener version 2.0. It says once we send it to start analyzing, and it will give us the forecast. And at the moment, it's building strategies and it's starting candlesticks. And what is it gonna be, people? We are hoping and waiting. Is it a buy or a sell? It is gonna be a 30 seconds buy, setting my timer on 30 seconds and executing a buy order for this trade, risking 500 bucks on this trade. Predicted by our AI screener that this is gonna be a strong volatility level trade, success probability set to be high. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. And on our timer we have 12, 17 seconds left, 16 seconds left, 15 seconds. Holding on tight. The buyers are pushing up the market. We're gonna trust the process and hold on to see how this is gonna play out. All right. 6 seconds left on the timer. Almost there, people. The sellers are putting up a fight, but we're gonna hold on. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Second trade is secured, nice and smooth. Back-to-back wins using our AI screener. That's a win for our AI screener in the market today. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. BNB OTC, ladies and gentlemen. That's gonna be our next trade. Let me go ahead and take a nice screenshot of my BNB OTC and attaching it to my AI screener. What the prediction is gonna be, we are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. BNB OTC, 500 bucks on the line, is studying strategies, building strategies, and ladies and gentlemen, it is gonna be a 5-second sell. Setting my timer on 5 seconds and executing a sell order on this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. 3 seconds left on the timer, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. That is another win for us, ladies and gentlemen. We're able to take 3 different wins so far using our AI screener. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade. And what is it gonna be? We are about to find out. Polkadot OTC, 500 bucks on the line, and taking a nice screenshot of our Polkadot OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Taking a nice screenshot of Polkadot OTC and attaching it to our AI screener, ladies and gentlemen. 500 bucks on the line. Is this gonna be a buy or sell? We're about to find out. It says once we send it to start analyzing, and it is gonna give us the forecast. It's analyzing the market, building strategies, and studying candlesticks. Ladies and gentlemen, holding on tight to see what this is gonna be. Is it a buy or sell? And it is gonna be a 30 seconds buy. Setting my timer on 30 seconds and executing a buy order for this trade. Prediction by our AI scanner version 2.0. 30 seconds buy. Strong volatility level, success probability set to be high as well. 20 seconds left on the timer. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. Polkadot OTC, 15 seconds on our timer. Holding on, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, the buyers are pushing up the market. This is our 4th trade for today. AI screener giving us the hits in the market. All we had to do was set a nice screenshot and we got the prediction. 2 seconds left, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, our 4th trade is secured today. Nice and smooth. We are cruising in the market. Let's go ahead and hit the next forecast and see what the prediction is gonna be. What is it gonna be for us? It is gonna be another cryptocurrency, Ethereum OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum OTC, 500 bucks on the line. Taking a nice screenshot of Ethereum OTC. We're gonna go ahead and attach it to our AI screener to find out what is this gonna be. Is it a buy or sell? We are about to find out. This once we send it to start the analysis and give us a forecast, building strategies and studying candlesticks. And ladies and gentlemen, holding on, it is gonna be another buy. 30 seconds buy, 500 bucks on the line, executing a buy order for this trade, ladies and gentlemen. This is your AI screener in action, predicting this to be a 30 seconds buy. Strong volatility level, success probability set to be medium. So we're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out on our timer. We have 70 seconds left, people. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 30 seconds, 12, 11, 10, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be another win for us? We are holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. These are our humongous trades for today. We're able to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different trades using our AI screener. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next forecast. And what is it gonna be? We are about to find out. All right, let's go ahead and take some stock market. American Express OTC, 500 bucks on the line. Taking a nice screenshot of my American Express OTC. This is a stock pair. Let's go ahead and attach it to my AI screener. What the prediction is gonna be, we are about to find out. It says once we send it, it will start the analysis and give us the forecast. So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna hold on and see what the prediction is gonna be for this trade. Studying candlesticks. And it is gonna be another 30 seconds buy, people, executing a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 500 bucks on the line for this trade, predicted by our AI screener to be a medium volatility trade. Success probability set to be medium. Yes, the buyers are pushing up the market. As you can see, people, we are almost there. 13 seconds left on the timer. This is our 6th trade of this session. Or is it the 7th trade of this session? We are about to find out. 5 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Nice and smooth. This is another banger by our AI screener version 2.0. We were able to just log in our 6th trade of this session. It is a good day. We are cruising in the market. One more trade and we can call it a day in this session. For the last time in this market, we are gonna hit it up with Boeing Company OTC. $500 on the line. Let's go ahead and ask our AI power trading board. First of all, AI screener, sorry. Let's take a nice screenshot of our Boeing Company OTC. Then we're gonna go ahead and attach it to our AI screener, ladies and gentlemen. $500 on the line. It says once we set it to start analysis and give us a forecast, building strategies, studying candlesticks, and what is it gonna be for our last trade of the session? It is gonna be a 30-second sell, people. $500 on the line, executing a sell order for this trade. Predicted by our AI screener version 2.0 to be a sell, medium volatility level, success probability set to be high. Ladies and gentlemen, we are selling Boeing Company OTC, predicted by our AI screener version 2.0. This is the last trade of this session. All we had to do was set screenshot to our AI screener. It analyzes it and gives us the direction. And so far, we've taken 6 trades and they were all successful. Last trade of the session, 5 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, it is 7 out of 7 trades today. We're able to reach $500 each for each of our trades. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different trades using our AI screener version 2.0, and as you can see, it was a banger. All we had to do was take a screenshot, send it to our AI screener. It took some seconds, process it, and gives us the direction. How does it do that? Gathering facts, different details and forecasts from company data, hundreds and thousands of layers of strategies to give us an exact expectation in the market, whether to go with the sell or whether to go with the buy, and gives you additional parameters like the volatility of the market, success probability, and so ladies and gentlemen, I highly recommend this. You can see today I came all out in with my big trades today using my AI scanner. It has been a good time in the session today. I wish you good luck when you use this, and I highly recommend, especially for beginners, AI scanner. It's a little bit more sophisticated than your AI trading board, but AI scanner as well, it is something that gives you edge in the market. It even gives you the time to execute the market. So ladies and gentlemen, it has been a good time, and it is your AI scanner version 2.0 in action. All right, people. As you can see, today has been a good time in the market. We hit the market with our AI scanner and we hit it hard. Each trade was taking on $500 each. We took 7 different trades and we scored 7 different wins out of 7. That's a 100% track record by our AI scanner in the market today. I highly recommend you use this if you're a beginner or professional trader. Just make sure you know the rules. The instructions are stated there. Let me state them for you. You take a nice screenshot of your chart, send it to your AI screener. You wait for a few seconds as it processes and take advances on different stages. It gives you a forecast, tells you whether to buy or whether to sell, and it as well also gives you the time to execute the market on. I highly advise you use good risk management because it doesn't give you the amount to use, so it's your choice. Today I've gone big, $500 on the line, but if you are using your account, I highly recommend that you take 1 to 2% risk, just like we always say. So ladies and gentlemen, it has been a good time with you in the market. AI screener version 2.0. In case you're interested with that, just follow these next 3 things I'm gonna tell you, and you are gonna make it in the market. Firstly, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well, and most importantly, join our free Telegram channel where you have access to free signals and many more free products. You have access to my own personal signals. You copy my trades. You also have access to our AI powered trading board and our scan. These are our products. You get access to that as well. And finally, you get the notification whenever we'll be going on for our live broadcast or our live stream, which is also very important for you to participate and gain experience together alongside with some money. All right, we made some money today in the market. It's a good day. I wish you good luck and see you next time. Peace.